Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Which tense did you learn yesterday? Which tense did you learn yesterday? Present perfect continuous. What is the structure of the present perfect continuous? Subject, have been, has been, plus V4 plus other expression. Suppose I have been reading a book. I have not been reading a book. Have I been reading a book? They have been reading a book. They have not been reading a book. Have they been reading a book? He has been reading a book. He has not been reading a book. Has he been reading a book? Students, only few students are doing the homework. It is not. Next, note. Present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous is answer the question how long answer the question how long. Okay, if you ask a question to somebody using how long, then answer must and should in present perfect continuous tense. Okay, when you start a sentence with how long, the sentence is in present perfect continuous. What? How long? If you start a sentence with how long, the sentence is in present perfect continuous. In question, answer also present perfect continuous. Look at here. How long have you been learning grammar? How long have you been learning grammar? Grammar ఎన్ని రోజుల నుంచి నేర్చుకుంటున్నావు? Suppose you observe this sentence. It is the present perfect continuous in interrogative. Question it is. Have you been reading grammar? Grammar spelling what? G-R-A-M-M-A-R, not E-R. What is the spelling of grammar? G-R-A-M-M-A-R. Okay. How long have you been learning grammar? Means have you been learning grammar? You have been learning grammar. Positive. You have been learning grammar. Positive. You have not been learning grammar. Negative. If you change the sentence into interrogative question, have you been learning grammar? Have you been learning grammar? It is the question. Okay, you can change this. What is the positive? You have been learning grammar. You have not been learning grammar. Have you been learning grammar? That's why just we add how long. What is the answer? The answer is also in present perfect continuous. I have been learning grammar. I have been learning grammar. I have been learning grammar for 2 weeks. For 2 weeks. It is the answer. Question is also in present perfect continuous. Answer is also present perfect continuous tense. Okay. How long have you been learning grammar? Have you been learning grammar? It is the question of present perfect continuous tense. Okay. The answer is in positive. I have been learning grammar for 2 weeks. You can write this next sentence as how long have you been how long have you been doing a job జాబ్ ఎప్పటి నుంచి చేస్తున్నావు? ఇట్ ఇస్ ద క్వశ్చన్. you observe this. how long have you been doing a job? Have you been doing a job? It is a present perfect continuous in the question. If you change the positive, you begin the sentence with the subject you. You have been doing a job. Negative, you have not been doing a job. It is the have you been doing the job. Okay, answer. I have been doing a job since 2017. Since 2017. It is the answer. Question is also present perfect continuous. Answer is also present perfect sentence. Present perfect continuous. But how long have you been doing a job? It is the present perfect continuous. Answer, I have been. I have been doing a job since 2017. You can write this next sentence. So many you can write. How long have you been playing cricket? How long have you been doing yoga? How long have you been staying at your grandma's house? How long have you been studying in Aravinda High School? Okay, I am writing another one also. Third one. How long has she been? Okay, I am asking question to you. Then what is the answer? Then you can tell the answer with I. What are you doing? Oh, question. Sir, I am learning English. What are you doing? I am doing homework. When the subject is you, then automatically answer with I. Okay. When you ask the question with you, the answer is with I. Okay. Next. How long has she been playing shuttle? Okay. Here is she. Here is the she. The answer is begin with the she. Come on, sir. How long has she been playing shuttle? She. When there is you, then I. Okay. He. Suppose you write how long has he been playing shuttle? Answer is she has been playing shuttle for 5 years. You can write this. Okay. Write down. First one. First word is note. Answer the question how long. How long have you been learning grammar? I have been learning grammar for 2 weeks. How long have you been doing a job? I have been doing a job since 2017. How long has she been playing shuttle? She has been playing shuttle for 5 days. Okay, we can write. I am giving homework. I am giving you homework. What is the homework? You write. It's like any 3 sentences in present perfect continuous and write the answer. It is the homework. What is the homework? You write any 3 sentences using how long. Using how long 3 sentences. And you answer that how long question also. Okay? It is the homework for you. Do you understand the homework? What is the homework? What is the homework? You write 3 sentences using how long and answer the 3 questions. Okay, right. What are the clues in present perfect continuous? Since and for. Since, for. Okay, these are the clues. What are the clues? Since, for. Okay, what are the clues of present perfect continuous? Since and for. Both are the prepositions. Since and for are the prepositions. Okay, first you listen to me. What is the since? Since. What is the since? It is called point of the time. Since is what? Point of the time. Point of the time. It is also called beginning of the time. Beginning of the time. Okay. What is the meaning of since? Means point of the time or beginning of the time. Look at some examples. What is the since? Point of the time. It is also called beginning of the time. Look at here. Since morning. Since morning. Since yesterday. Since yesterday. Since Monday. Since Monday. Since 2019. Since 7 a.m. Okay. For the examples of the point of the time. Since morning, morning nundi, nundi at the beginning of the time. Since yesterday, ninnati nundi. Since Monday, somaram nundi. Since Wednesday, since Thursday, since evening. Since 2019 nundi. Since 2020, since 2000, since 1847, you can write. Since 7 a.m., since 10 a.m., since 5 p.m. Since, okay. Since means nundi, it is also called point of the time or beginning of the time. Since morning, since evening, morning nundi, evening nundi, since afternoon, afternoon nundi. Since yesterday, ninnati nunchi. Since 2 days, 2 రోజుల నుండి. Since Monday, since Thursday, since Friday nundi. Since 2019, since 1947, since 2018, since 7 a.m., since 12 p.m. అంటే నుండి. It has been raining since 7 a.m. isn't it? It has been raining since 7 a.m. అంటే 7 a.m. నుండి వర్షం పడుతూనే ఉంది. Okay. He has been playing cricket. He has been playing cricket since morning. అతను మార్నింగ్ నుంచి క్రికెట్ ఆడుతూనే ఉన్నాడు. Rani has been absent. Rani has been absent for. Rani has been absent since yesterday. నిన్న నుంచి రాణి స్కూలుకు రావడం లేదు నుండి. It is the since. Since means what? Point of the time. It is called beginning of the time. Did you write? It has been raining. It has been raining since 7 a.m. It has been raining since 7 a.m. It's the example. Okay. Since 7 గంటల నుంచి వర్షం పడుతూనే ఉంది. For means period of the time. For means what? Period of the time. Period means some time. 7 days, 1 week, 5 days, 10 days, 2 months, 3 months. Number is a period. Number is a period. First period, how many minutes? First period 50 minutes. 50 minutes is the period. 5 seconds, it is the period. 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, 2 years. These are all periods. Okay. Period. Number is the period. Okay. 1 year. For 1 year. 1 means number. In 1 year, 365 days. Okay. 52 weeks. Okay. It is the period of the time. For 10 days. For 1 week. For 5 days. For 3 years. For half an hour. Half an hour means what? 30 minutes. For half an hour means 30 minutes. It is the period of the time. For 10 days, for 1 week, for 5 days, for 3 years, for half an hour. Time. What the time? For period of the time. Period means number. For 2 minutes, for 3 minutes, for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes, for 2 hours, for 3 hours, for 4 days, for 5 days, for 5 months, for 1 month, for 1 week, for 1 day. 1 day means 24 hours. That's why it is the for. Example. He has been doing a job. He has been doing a job for 3 years. This is the period 3 years. That's why we write for. We don't write since. Since is beginning of the time, point of the time. He has been doing a job for 3 years. He has been doing a job for 3 years. You understand? When do we use for? When do we use since? Since is used before point of the time, means beginning of the time. Since Monday, since 2017, since 7 a.m. For means number, period of the time. For 1 week, for a month, for a year, for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks, for 2 months, for 3 months, for 2 years, for 4 years, for half an hour, for an hour, for 2 hours, for 3 hours. You can write. This example is given here. He has been doing a job for 3 years. I dash do a job. Do a job. Result be I dash do a job since 2010. Since means present perfect continuous. What is the structure of the present perfect continuous? Subject, have been, has been, before plus object. I means have been, before means doing. She dash wait here for 2 hours for plus time. Present perfect continuous. She means has been, wait means waiting. They dash play cricket since 10 a.m. Since means present perfect continuous. They means have been, play means playing. Raju dash watch TV for half an hour. For plus time means present perfect continuous. Raju means he has been. Watching. Before is compulsory present perfect continuous. Next, Rani dash learning English for 2 weeks for plus time. Rani means she has been learning. Okay. Students, we have completed present tense. Tomorrow I ask some questions in total present tense. How many tenses are there? 4 tenses. Simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. You this all 3 tenses you read once again and remember them. I will give some questions. You have to identify the sentence belongs to which tense. You have to write. Okay, and you know that there is a crisis going on in India, COVID-19. Okay, today in our Nirmal district reported 59 cases. According to our government official, that's why everyone should follow prevention of COVID-19 measures. Wash hands frequently, use or wear compulsory mask, distance 6 feet between two compulsory maintain, and you literate the illiterate people. Okay, thank you.